What's good, 30s and ones I can flirt with? So we start our morning. Found us a mean little swimming hole, of course. Here, was it the Patitua Bridge, Patitua River? Yes. Mean place. And guess what? We have now officially been to every marae in New Zealand. Give myself a pat on the back for that one. And we're starting our day off in Havelock. All the beautiful scenes in the Marlborough Sounds. Frickin' stunning. Watch as those clouds clear away and the views just get better and better. Whoo, there we go, look, starting to see the sun coming out. Had to throw those two easies up. It's just stunning, just freaking stunning. Stopped at every little bay I could. So I was actually heading up to Jackson's Point, but I didn't realise that the road closed. I'll show you. Mean views though, yeah, the mean views. Damn, there we go, road closed. That's how a man gets blue balls. She was finished before I even was done. Damn. Found a cool little spot. Forgot the name of this bay, my bad. But it was a pretty little bay. Taking footage of everywhere around. I even leave my ritual here, see? Bam, right there. Back to those views. Making our way back past it all. And we head on over to Aussie Bay. Yeah. Freaking stunning place. Look, the views are just postcard views everywhere. It's amazing. It was amazing. Crystal clear blue waters everywhere. Sun is now shining. What more could a brother ask for? Hell yeah, the views, hell yeah. Stopped at each little bay that will let me stop. Tried to get every view as I could. Damn, check that out. Stunning everywhere, just stunning. Making our way closer and closer to Picton with every view. Yeah. Look how stunning that Marlborough Sounds is though. God damn. Whoo, it's stunning, alright. She's stunning. And as you can see, we're getting closer to through those Marlborough Sounds. Literally only around the corner from Picton. Yeah, check that out. Even the cruise ship in at the moment. Here it is, making our way around the corner to Picton. And we end it all where the dirty South Tour all started.